you a short summary of our Improvers Solo Viennese Waltz Practice Routine number 3. This was used in a class online on Monday the 6th of June 2022. So if you're in the video library and you're looking for the full class, it was within that class. Now we've included a little bit of the traditional international Viennese Waltz and introduced a little bit of the American smooth Viennese Waltz where we're breaking from hold. Because we're dancing solo, this is not intended to be a routine with a partner. This is only intended to be a fun practice exercise that you can do at home and put the music on and have a little practice. So it's only a very short summary. Let me make a start. Okay, so we have right foot to the left corner, we have a corner check. Let me put my notes just here. Okay, so we're going to go right foot to the left corner, check, and then check. We did 4 of these, check, and check, and then I'm going to leave the legs wide open. Now I'm going to do my little imaginary partner here, but I'm going to go in and then away, and then in and then away. So extending the arms, swooshing in, swooshing out. That is a super technical term for this. If you look on any other American smooth Viennese Waltz videos of the professionals dancing this in competition, you'll see it's all big, beautiful, open, flowy movement, okay? So we're in and then we're out. We did that twice over. So a bar in, a bar out, a bar in, and a bar out. Then we took up our practice hold and then we did 8 bars of natural rotations. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 until we were all the way around. Now I did some little whisks. Now these are more like a samba whisk on Viennese Waltz timing, okay? So I'm going here, and here, and here, and here, okay? And then I did a traditional waltz whisk on ladies' footwork timing. So I did back and cross, inside turn, right foot back basic. Remember the inside and outside turns come from the American smooth version, not the international, because we don't break hold or do those turns within our partner hold. Then we did a little box step on the spot just to gather our thoughts. And then I did a forwards left basic to an outside turn to a back left basic, okay? So there's a lot going on there. Let me do it all very slowly and I'll call out the names, then I'll do it once more with all of the counts. So, check in 4 times. 4 bars for the swoosh of the arms, in and out, in and out. 2 bars to assume my ballroom position. 4 bars with natural turn movement. 8 bars. 8 bars here. Whisk for 4 bars. And then a normal waltz whisk. Inside turn. Back basic. 2 pairs of box steps on the spot. 1 forwards left basic. Outside turn. And a back left basic. Okay, now I'll count it through this time. So I'll count the numbers as I do it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you know, I can't do it with the music because of the YouTube music restrictions there. Hopefully I will find some music soon that doesn't fringe on copyright. So if you're watching this in YouTube, thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Subscribe button's really important. If you're watching this in my video library, then thank you so much for already supporting me. Really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.